So it didn't really take long for Drake to respond and rain on Pusha T and Kanye's summer album Parade. And as we all know, Drake is dropping Scorpion this month, which means he has motivation to try to prove himself to be the top dog this month. And so he went and dropped Duppy Freestyle, which already has more than 3 million views on Souncloud. And so I just wanted to make a brief explain video analyzing the lyrics that diss Pusha and Kanye. He starts off making an argument we all expected. If Pusha's really mad at Drake for using ghostwriters and can't respect him as he says himself, then how can he respect Kanye, who also uses ghostwriters? He even goes as far to reference the fact that he ghostwrote for Kanye on Father Stretched My Hands and 30 Hours. Even referencing the fact that more recently, he was in Wyoming with Kanye, writing for his newest album. He was trying to help out his enemies, and so he feels disrespected that now he's being dissed. He's tired of it, and he's not just gonna sit and watch it happen. Then he references Daytona directly, saying that Pusha must have had his infrared wrong, and so he aimed wrong, but Drake is gonna aim right, and now Pusha's in his beam. Here he also references ultralight beam from The Life of Pablo, and infrared is made to sound like infrared, so Pusha's getting his facts wrong. This next part is pretty self-explanatory. Drake is now in album mode, so he's more focused, and he's ready to take down anyone who challenges that, and he also puts down Pusha for not being in the top 5 most talented in his label. Next, he takes a shot at and shames Kanye by saying he'd never have someone like Virgil in his own circle and try to hold him back, and he'd instead help him, unlike Kanye, who he's accusing here of sort of holding back Virgil and being afraid of him overcoming him. And Kanye has admitted to being jealous and envious of Virgil's success when he was working with Louis Vuitton. He acknowledges now that Kanye and Pusha were once the teachers, but now he's overcoming them and he's teaching them. Drake is saying here that since his brother and his cousin did it before him, Pusha's not really the top dog he tries to play himself as. It, of course, referring to pushing weight. Next, he references the fact that he actually once was a big fan of Pusha and he owned a microphone signed by him, but the same way the signature on that microphone from way back is fading, Pusha's career and relevance is fading. Next, he doesn't deny the ghostwriting accusations that he makes about Quentin Miller, but instead he makes the point that he was already relevant at the time and that he made Quentin and not the other way around. Finally, he leaves him with this warning, sort of implying that he thinks he's going to be the one that wins this summer and not Kanye and good music, and that he's also doing all this to get back at him for dissing Lil Wayne. Sorry for the sort of scrappy video this time, but this is a really great beef and I wanted to keep you guys updated as fast as possible. Hope you guys enjoyed that video, and if you did, leave a like, subscribe, comment below, and see you all next time. It's about to be one hell of a summer.